Hey guys, Jim X here. Welcome to Jim.nextyouthebest. And today we're doing the flight test review on the Holly Stone Hs700D. Yeah, about to do a flight test review. Before we do, let's just look at it real quick. Brush this motors. Brush these motors. Got the camera. Got a nice camera set right here. Now let's take a look at the controller. Alright, this is how the controller looks. You got the one key to take off, one key to land, unlock and lock the motors, return to home, the camera button, press and hold for video, and just press it for no more camera. No more photo. And so this is how you adjust the camera. That's how you adjust the camera. It's just like that. Adjust it. Alright, let's turn it on and see how it goes. Alright, so turn on the controller. Turn on. That's how it sounds. It turns on. This is how it looks. Just done turning it on. Connected. I don't know why the hell this motor's on. You can turn it off though. Alright, let's start this flight test. Alright, so before we actually begin, we have to set the calibrations. In order to do that, we have to do it just like this. Both of them to the left. You see, in both of them, lights start turning green. Calibrating. Trying to get those GPS signals. It won't fly unless you do this. Now, after we're done doing this, now we start the calibration. Alright, to start the calibration, you actually have to start spinning it around 3 times. So let's just start doing that. Let's see, 1, 3 complete turns, 2 or 3 right there. This is how it's gonna look. Light's gonna start turning green after you're done doing it like that. Horizontal. Now you gotta do it vertical. 1. It's actually hard for me to do it with one hand, but we're gonna do it. Wait. Oh shit! This is really hard. Wait, well, you get it. Just try to do it. Well, I actually did it. Wow, I actually got it with one hand. I was able to do it. The calibrations. So remember, I've done rotating it around 3 times horizontal. You gotta rotate another 3 times vertical, and that's how calibrations get set. On the Wi-Fi settings, Wi-Fi. I see it's already connected. Now you go to the app, Ophelia Go. So you go back, enter device. And this is how it looks from the drone's point of view. Ooh, see, I can move the camera. Alright, now we're gonna go back to the original camera settings. This is the drone's point of view. Recording this. Let's go. 1 key unlock the motors. 1 key take off. Alright, let's see how high I can go. Let's go to the drone's point of view now. Alright guys, now this is the drone's point of view. And now, yep, just enjoy. Thank you for watching, and remember, like and subscribe. And this is Jim Next, you're the best. And this is your host, Jim X speaking. Thank you for watching.
you.